Imagine you're working on a project in C++ and you encounter a tricky problem. The issue arises when trying to retrieve a list of subkeys from the registry using the GetKeyNames function. After setting up the TRegistry object and requesting the subkeys, everything seems to be in place with the correct count in the TStringList. However, despite the proper count, the names of the subkeys aren't showing up as expected. Frustrating, right? Now, let's delve into the solution to this puzzling problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in accessing the subkey in names correctly. By using the TStringList strings property instead of a names property, you can retrieve the subkey name successfully. It's crucial to remember that GetKeyNames returns the key names directly, not in a name equals value format. Therefore, utilizing the strings property will help you access the subkey names accurately. In conclusion, by making a simple adjustment and replacing name 0 with string 0, you can effectively retrieve the subkey names from the registry without any hiccups. It's always satisfying to unravel these coding mysteries and enhance your skills along the way. Remember, coding adventures are full of unexpected twists, but with a bit of perseverance, you'll conquer any problem that comes your way. Until next time, happy coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding challenges you faced recently. Keep coding and keep smiling.